Hello, my name is Zaki Mohammad Zaki Al-Hashimi, and my metric number is 205039. Today I will be presenting on an old communication device, which is a UHF VHF rabbit ears indoor TV antenna, which I have right here. Starting off, what is a UHF VHF indoor TV antenna? It is a rabbit ears indoor TV antenna which receives FM signals from local broadcast stations that we wouldn't be able to watch on the TV otherwise. The received FM signals fall within the VHF very high frequency part of the radio spectrum. The antenna's frequency range falls within 45 to 230 megahertz. And finally, it is a high-power passive antenna with an output impedance of 300 ohm. Now, what type of transmission device is it? It is a simplex transmission device that can only receive the FM signals and cannot communicate back to the sender, meaning that it performs one-way transmission only. Taking a brief look into the history of rabbit ears TV antennas, their inventor was Marvin P. Middlemark, who was an American philanthropist, inventor that first invented the rabbit ears TV antenna dipole antenna in 1953 in Queens, New York. His invention revolutionized how television was watched in the United States and was the reason for the television boom of the late 1950s and 1960s. Moving on, the UHF VHF rabbit ears indoor TV antenna circuitry is quite simple, as it consists of an antenna connected to a 2-to-1 balun on one side and a male PAL Belling-Lee coax on the other side of the 2-to-1 balun, and this 2-to-1 balun is actually a dual ferrite core transformer. As mentioned previously, the output impedance of the antenna is 300 ohm, meaning that the impedance on the coax side of the 2-to-1 balun is 75 ohm as per the transformer impedance ratio formula, which states that the primary number of windings over the secondary number of windings all squared is equal to the primary impedance over the secondary impedance. Now, I will be showing a brief test on how a local broadcast station is on a TV without a UHF VHF rabbit ears indoor TV antenna. As you can see, uh, the TV does not pick up the local broadcast station's FM signal, as it says no signal on the screen. On the other hand, we can watch the same local broadcast station on the TV when the TV is connected to a UHF VHF rabbit ears TV indoor antenna, as can be seen in this video here. This brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it, and I hope it was informative and useful for you. Thank you.